LTC, we start with the weekly chart, and based on weekly chart, we're looking at that this one, and mostly we want to see the breakout of the 130. Okay, but because if the price could break the 130, then technically we can consider we are out of this correction. We are referring to this one. Okay, and as long as the price haven't break the 130, we can expect this one to give us an extra. We can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That's why we are looking to see the breakout of 130. But uh, whether we can get the next drop or we see the continuation, even it depends on the overall market. But at this point, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 130 to confirm we are out of this correction. Anyway, we are looking for buy, but we want to see how we can get the trade setup based on lower time frame. And if we move to uh daily chart, we have been looking for buy since the price was here within this move. The price tag 135, but even we see the breakout, but there was no one. Even the price couldn't break 119 because with the breakout of 119, we can look for 130. Okay. Anyway, to make it very simple, I'm looking at this one, how deep it can go. For me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to see the price reverse without the breakout of the 90. Because if the price could break the 90, we can look for 85, following by this low. Because in that, if that happened, we have this one turned to a expanding flat, which we are not really interested to look for the expanding flat. That's why for me, I'm looking at this one as a running flat because most of the chart, they have a similar movement. Okay, to look for buy, I prefer this one reverse with the breakout of the 90. Okay, and again, it depends on the strategy the traders they're using, but at this point I don't see any trade setup. To make it very simple, how deep this one can go, we can expect the price even tag 90. Okay, but if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy at this point, we'll take it. And for me, I'm looking at this one with the breakout of the, if the price tag this low, then if I see any divergence or any reversal as a sharp move flag, then I will take the trade. Based on forward chart, we cannot look for the divergence. And mostly I'm looking at the divergence based on 1 hour chart. Okay. If the price tag this low, or we see the breakout of this low following by divergence, then any reversal from there as a sharp move flag, we will take it. Okay. And at this point, having entry above this can be an option. But for me, I want to see whether how sharp the price can tag or break this low. If there is a breakout and continuation, we see the price continue and drop, we just let it go. We look for the reversal. But if the price tag, we see there is no breakout, then having entry above this, we can consider as an option. Okay, but mostly we can look for the reversal as a short move flag. Anyway, at this point, we don't see any trade setup. We have to wait. But if we move to weekly chart as a long term, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 130 because if the price couldn't break 130, we can expect this one to turn to a more complex correction before we see the continuation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.